I'm going to formally introduce her. The NCRPC family, headed by its exemplary Regional Training Director, Colonel Romano de la Cruz. Graduates, especially members of the Police, and the awardees, the ambassadors, to the families, friends, relatives, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. One of the most difficult tasks is to introduce a person who deserves more than just an utterly accolade. Due to his remarkable achievements brought about by his passion, unwavering commitment, and determination to help and serve the people. Ang sabi nga ng isang makata, hindi kayang tumbasan ng matatamis na salita ang dakilang gawa. Subalit kung ito na may magtutulot ng inspirasyon at paghanga, ituturing ko itong isang adhika. I am preparing to no other than our guest of honor and speaker, whom I am privileged to introduce to you. He is not just a politician. He is an educator, a father, and a leader, endowed with great mind and compassionate heart to serve the people. He is a man of purpose, reason, and direction. He previously served as congressman of the 1st District of Marikina from 2007 until 2016. During his incumbency as congressman, he authored various bills and acted into laws beneficial for his community. Taking a heart for public service, he joined and subsequently won the mayoralty race in 2015. From then on up to this day, Marikina City had earned praises and public service distinctions for its various developments, initiatives, and contributions up to the national government, even at this pandemic crisis. Nakilala ang Marikina hindi lamang sa industriya ng sapatos, kundi sa kanyang taglay ng kaayusan at katiwasian, at lalong-lalo na sa taglay ng kabutihang asal o ugali ng mga taga-Marikina. Commendable to say that the peace and progress to include the socio-cultural development, general welfare, and well-being that all Mariqueños are now cherishing, as well as the best and brightest days ahead, are all fruits of this brilliant masterpiece and diligent hard work as the father of this beautiful and respectable city. Palakpuan po natin ang ating mga katulong ngayon. To our guest of honor, sir, allow me to take this opportunity as Sir Chief of Police, and on behalf of the 576 strong and highly spirited men and women of Marikina City Police, to convey our heartfelt gratitude and sincere appreciation for your genuine care and relentless support to Marikina Police. Damang naman po namin, sir, ang inyong pagmamahal at kapulisan. At hindi lamang po sa amin, kasama na po lahat ng kapulisan na sa inyong nakakarapan ngayon na nagsipagtapos ng Public Safety Officers Candidate Course, ang kurso na magiging daan upang sila ay maging mga opisyalis po ng ating pambansang pulisya. Palakpakan natin ang ating sarili. I will not anymore mention in detail all the support, logistically, financially, and morally that our guest of honor has given us. Definitely, it is more than what our national headquarters has allocated for us. What I can brag about him is the degree of his commitment and selfless love for his people. At kasama na po tayong mga kapulisan dyan. Kaya, for guest of honor, sir, please accept our humble gesture of respect and admiration to you and your family. Rest assured that we will reciprocate your goodness and generosity. Susuplihan po namin ng serbisyong tama, tapat, may tapang, pagmamahal at pagmamalasakit para sa bayan ng Manila. Gentlemen and ladies, please join me in welcoming our guest of honor, none other than our beloved and highly esteemed City Mayor, Honorable Marcelino R. Tudolo.